Namaste. Today we will discuss about road safety and road safety behavior because it is very important, especially in India, as approximately 1.5 lakh of people die every year in road accidents. It comes to around 1130 accidents and 422 deaths per day on an average. And if we take hourly statistics, it will be around 47 accidents and 8 deaths happening every hour in India. So it is the cause of concern as of now. Let us try to focus on certain facts and certain uh, factors contributing to road safety and how to maintain that in India. If we consider road accidents, how they normally take place, it might be from vehicle to vehicle collision, it might be vehicle hitting the objects, vehicle hitting the pedestrians, or vehicle fire, or vehicle going into the floods. So several type of accidents we can have in a road safety scenario. The safety measures and controls, if we see, the first thing is to eliminate, don't drive on road or avoid traveling or driving, then you will be always safe. But is it possible? No. So we have to at least find out the alternatives or less risky vehicles or less risky transportation mode we have to choose. That is substitution. We should substitute uh, driving by opting a less risky vehicle or public transport. And we can use engineering controls such as a design, maintenance of the vehicle, that also is very important. And Pokayoke, which is a mechanical interlock to which forces us to go for safety systems. We always say safety first, but the moment we get into the vehicle, the first thing being compromised will be safety. We don't wear the safety belt when we sit into the car. Safety interlocks and alarms are still provided to force you to wear the seat belt nowadays. But still people find the ways to bypass those and drive the car. So Pokayoke is the Japanese technique which won't allow any bypass mechanism. It will force you to follow all the safety precautions. Administrative controls, if we see, the rules, regulations, penalties, punishments, counseling, all these come under this category, that is administrative control. If we see the management controls, it basically follows four principles, that is Sam, Dan, Bed, Dandopai. Dand is punishment. Okay, so final measure taken by the government will be the punishment. But if we follow these three, that is Sam, Dan, Bed, then we won't be coming into that penalty zone. Finally, it is the personal protective equipment, that is the helmet, which will save our life in case of accident. The previous four, that is elimination, substitution, engineering controls, or management or administrative controls, will try to avoid the accident. But in case still if the accident happens, then our PPEs will help us a lot. If we consider road safety, basically it is a mixture of several factors, that is the road condition or the condition of the vehicle, condition of the driver, his skill, etc. Several other factors such as weather, whether it is rainy, sunny, cold, day or night, duration of the journey, whether it is long journey or short journey, lone driving, whether the driver is alone while driving, all such factors will come into play when we consider road safety. Wrong parking many times is the root cause of certain accidents if we analyze. If we see the factors related to road, then whether it is a ghat road or a straight road or with sharp turns, slope, there are fair chances of toppling if the angle is not maintained. Damaged roads, skidding surfaces, wet roads, speed breaker, suddenly speed breaker is coming without any caution board. Zebra crossings, markings are not proper, then also the accidents may happen because of the factors concerning the road standards or conditions of the road. Signposts, signals, if they are not proper, then also accidents may occur because of these. Crossings, railway crossings, we normally see earlier in olden days we used to see so many accidents taking place while crossing the railway crossings. One way, two way, four ways, breaching these rules with the divider, without divider, most of the times even the divider hitting the vehicle hitting the divider will also cause an accident, that is because of the road. Narrow and low level bridges, culverts, many times during floods low level bridges and culverts will be posing problems. Housekeeping, unwanted material put on the road or a died dog may cause a road accident. Objects on road, unwanted things left on road not cleared, that also may cause an accident. Okay, that is the factor of road, basically road condition. Known or unknown road, known road, then you will be having overconfidence. Unknown road, sudden surprises might be there. So whether you are frequently traveling or you are totally new to that particular road, that also matters. You can analyze, just observe, just if you focus, so many factors are contributing to a particular accident. So now we'll come to vehicle, type of the vehicle, whether it is two-wheeler, three-wheeler or four-wheeler, that also matters. The risk involved in two-wheeler is much more compared to the four-wheeler, and the impact of the accident will also be more. Capacity of the vehicle, engine or occupancy. If you see certain vehicles, public transport vehicles will be overloaded and they topple, or even the engine capacity also dictates the probability of the accident to occur. Age of the vehicle, most of the times people still use because it is still functioning even after its life. Condition of the vehicle, service history, last time the service when it was done, that also matters a lot. For past 3 years there is no service done means at least it is very very risky. Speed limits, what are the speed limits fixed for that particular vehicle, whether you are going to the danger zone or not, that also is indicated in the vehicle, but still we should follow those. Safety features, different vehicles are coming out with the different safety features nowadays. So what are the safety features provided in that particular vehicle, that also matters when we analyze road safety. upper lower beam lights, drivers concern about other drivers. When you are traveling on high beam, let us say, when the other vehicle is approaching you, at least you should lower down the beam, otherwise how will the other driver will see. So we should have concern towards other people, then you are also feeling safe on road. Movable property, a status symbol. People think that I should buy a higher end vehicle because the status symbol and sentiments of God, all such factors will also influence the road safety. Now, if we come to the driver, the factors about the driver, the license, first of all, the license or the awareness, the skill of driving, or the experience or the skill to drive that particular vehicle and how to handle the emergencies. That skill, if that driver has or not, and the age of the driver. Many times we see, even without license, kids are driving vehicles, or very old people are also driving vehicles. Physical state or physical fitness of the driver, whether he is tired, sleepy, drunken, color blindness, eyesight, all these are physiological aspects of the driver, and as well as the psychological aspects. That is, whether he is upset, stressed out, urgency is there, peer pressure is there, people are saying drive fast, there is a huge pressure on him to reach early. That is peer pressure, ego is there, overconfidence is there, misjudgment. He is thinking that okay, with this narrow path or narrow escape, I can move the vehicle. Miscalculation, ability to concentrate. This factor again is a skill, right? Ability to concentrate continuously for an extended period of time. That is meditation basically. That's why I call it is mindful driving. So people should be so mindful and concentrating on the road and the driving aspect, then only you can drive it safely. Discipline, he should be very disciplined while driving. There should not be any distractions. Doom effect, that is heroism. Normally people on bike, they feel that they are the heroes and they start doing all the things which normally are shown in TV, movies, ads, etc. People, even though there is a warning saying that it should not be repeated, it should not be tried on road. Learning the driving skill, each one has their own limitations, right? So we should understand that everybody can't be perfect, everyone has their own limitations in learning and driving, right? The values, morals, ethics, integrity is one of the important value. Suppose signals are not there, still whether you are following the rules or not on road, that matters a lot. If the police is not there, still whether you are following the rules or not, traffic police is not there, then it doesn't mean that you do whatever you want if the traffic police is absent, is not there, let us say. So that is one factor, and the final factor is PPE, whether the driver is wearing PPE or not, that is personal protective equipment such as crash helmets, etc. So all these factors dictate our safety on road and our behavioral pattern on road. So I wish you all the best Please concentrate, please be mindful on road while driving, and be safe always. All the best.